what being with a narcissist does is teaches us how to just rise above and become superheroes of our own stories. They help us just forge these, this emotional armor that's just so tough and so unbreakable, not even the narcissistic missile can dent it. It just bounces right off. So, narcissistic tactics and manipulation will sharpen your self-awareness and deepen your understanding of boundaries. With more self-awareness and more self-education, what you're going to do is learn to detach from these narcissistic bonds, the trauma bonds that form. And with more awareness and more self-education, what you're going to do is be able to just untangle and detach from these narcissistic bonds, the trauma bonds, that just undermine your own self-worth, because under the veil of this narcissistic behavior is just a reflection of their own insecurity, and it's not a reflection of you and not your self-worth. When you interact with a narcissist, you have the power to practice self-love and assertiveness. It's just a rehearsal. Every time you're in contact with a narcissist, you get to practice that. In the descriptions below, you'll find a link for the Narcovery Masterclass. Watch it, and at the end of the video, you'll have a chance to book a call with me. Don't wait any longer. Reserve your spot now, and let's start this transformational journey to self-discovery and healing.